Grayson Subaru Hyundai is committed to working at your speed, with your preferences in mind, and with a passionate focus on your satisfaction. Our dedication to your experience is inherent in everything we do, because at Grayson, it's not just business as usual, it's business your way. Our incredible purchase experience and professional staff give you peace of mind you won't find anywhere else.
You will love this Golden Wheat 04 Saturn Ion, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an impressive 30 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like intermittent wipers, rear window defroster, illuminated entry system, center console, remote trunk relay SE, daytime running lights, bucket seats, adjustable headrests, tachometer, power door locks, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 04 Saturn Ion. See us at Grayson Hyundai today.
With a comprehensive parts and service department, an extensive inventory of new and used vehicles, and unbeatable customer service, the leading Knoxville, Tennessee Subaru and Hyundai dealer has all of your automotive needs covered. Open 6 days a week, Grayson Subaru Hyundai is conveniently located at 8729 Kingston Pike in Knoxville. Come see us. For more information about our amazing inventory lineup, check us out online at www.graysonhyundai.com.